Every winter we see a beautiful display of gorgeous flowers on our Japanese magnolias. And this year was no exception. They were gorgeous. Now, this has been named the Louisiana Super Plant for 2024. Jane cultivar in particular is the Louisiana Super Plant for this spring. So this has been actually introduced into the nursery trade since the 1960s. We know how wonderful this plant is. Now, it's often grown as a small tree. It is, botanically speaking, classified as a shrub because you'll see it has multi-trunks. Now, these bloom in the wintertime, in late January, early February. There are several different types of cultivars. The ones from the Girl series are particularly loved by home gardeners. Now, these are smaller trees. They get these beautiful light purple to pink flowers in the wintertime. These do best in full sun. The flowers will actually precede the leaves before they start to leaf out in the springtime. Now, this is a great time to plant Japanese magnolias, so if you don't have one, you've really got to get one. There are all sorts of different cultivars, but again, this year, our Louisiana Super Plant 2024 for the spring is Jane Japanese Magnolia. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.